Tip number 5, limit the use of your air conditioner. The alternator, which is powered by your engine, is what provides energy to your air conditioner. The engine runs on fuel, which means that you're burning gasoline each time you use your AC. When it's hot out there, the system works harder and the more gas you burn. So to become more efficient, we need to limit the use of our air conditioner. One way to do that is during the months of spring or fall, we can lower our windows. Don't do that while you're driving fast because it creates resistance. So yes, basically that. Limit your usage by taking advantage of the nice weather in fall and spring.